sandwich you can really sink your teeth into. Chef Jonathan Collins, how are you? You know, it's been way too long. That looks serious. That's a serious sandwich.
It is a serious sandwich, but it is extremely healthy because everything is fresh.
So we're starting off here with a beautiful turkey roast. Butterball makes these awesome little containers. They're like different portions. You can get the thigh, you can get the breast, you can get whatever. And then this one here, I've just taken out of the package. I've pounded it out, really nice and thin.
Today we're doing a hariali turkey kebab using Butterball Easy Fresh turkey breast. So I think a lot of the times people think turkey's only for the holidays, and I eat it a few times a week. It's a really, really great protein, really nutritious, and in this sort of packaging, it makes it super easy to store in the fridge or the freezer. Today we're making cheesy turkey kebabs using Butterball Easy Fresh turkey breast. I love this vacuum seal packaging. It makes it really easy to store and keeps things nice and fresh. Today we're making a dry South Indian curry called turkey pepper fry, and we're making it using Butterball Easy Fresh. For more recipes and tips on how to cook turkey, head to butterball.ca.